Hi everyone, Derek Zema here with another exciting episode on the Money Making Magic channel. Today, I will be showing you the Hamster Kombat daily trade combo cards to earn 5 million coins. Let's get started. Okay, let's go get the card. Click on the daily combo button. Okay, let's go to the web tree. Okay, we have Dex card. Let's click on that. Cool. First card is ready. Don't stop. Let's go get the second card. Go to the specials tab. Okay. Now let's go down. There we have TG leaders. Let's click on that. Cool. Go ahead. Nice. The second card is assembled, just a little bit late. Let's go check the third card. Still under the special tab, I will click on the new cards. Now we have semi-final Spain versus France card. Let's click on that. Go ahead. Now we got the third card. The combo is complete. You are doing great. Take the prize. Good job, see you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.